Hi, my name's Alan Lafferty.
And I'm Heidi Lafferty, and we're from Saratoga Springs, Utah.
We'd like to share our experiences with the temple and how the temple has really helped us and how much we enjoy going to the temple. We were endowed a few years back. At the time I was working in Los Angeles, away from home, most weeks.
And it was really hard
Yeah.
for him to be away all the time. So we decided to go to the temple and make it a matter of prayer and really look for an answer to see if Alan should come home and not work in California any longer.
We got a great answer, and because of the answer that we received, I was able to leave my vocation and return home, and we've been able to make things work here. So it's become a practice for us to go to the temple to find answers when we're struggling with things personally or as a family. Heidi and I try to attend the temple weekly, where we feel that we can draw closer to our Savior than anywhere else. And it's been a really meaningful experience for us to be able to share that time together. We have a lot of selfish reasons for going, but we love to serve there. And we feel like we're really involved in a work that gives us support from the other side of the veil. And so it's really been a great experience for us, and we continue and will always continue to attend the temple to seek guidance.
Yeah, we do love going to the temple. The reason it gives us joy is really we've been able to have a lot of great experiences by praying and then actually just opening the scriptures, and we get answers all the time. It's really cool. So we love going to the temple. It brings us lots of joy, and especially when we're faced with a lot of challenges. And we've had our share.
Okay. Who's not, right? All right. Well,
Thanks.
we recommend it to everybody. Get to the temple.